Okay, as an addendum to the other video, I wanted to show you this really quickly. I have a dark field stop in the condenser filter tray, and what that does is on this objective lens, it boosts the sharpness of the image. It won't give you dark field this high in the magnification, but it will boost the sharpness of the image. Now what's interesting is if you attempt to force it to do dark field by adjusting the condenser up all the way into where it normally works for dark field on the lower power objectives, it doesn't really work that way. Instead, what you get is this weird sort of phased look. But if you take the filter tray and nudge it out to the side so that the dark field stop is interrupting the path of the light to one side, you end up with this. And it's just, you know, basic side-borne illumination. They make kind of like dark field stop filters for exactly that purpose, so you can illuminate to one side. The result is this: it's an embossed kind of look, and it can really help you visualize certain things. It's great for bacteria and for highlighting the internal structure of larger microorganisms, as you can see. So let's bump up the gain just a little bit here for better clarity. I've got the gamma all the way down to increase contrast, and now it looks like an embossed image, right? And thusly the internal structure and even external structure of that protozoan become much easier to see, and just by bumping that filter around with my fingertip, I can change the quality of that. I do need some half illumination, side illumination filters. I'll make some with my 3D printer. It's not hard to do. And then that would be a great addition to my setup for those special times, you know. So there you are. Yeah, I just wanted to show that off because it really helps with trying to figure out exactly what you're looking at. You can even tell the exterior surface of the microorganism is coated with those bacteria. You couldn't tell that without doing this. It's just not easy to see those kind of details at all. So, yeah, there you are. Thank you for stopping in on that one, and thanks for watching as always, and as I said before, much more to come. Bye for now.